decades, search engines have been our gateway to information. We have typed keywords, hoping to find the answer we need. So we have relied on search engine to answer our question and guide us through the vast ocean of information. But what if there was a better way? So today we enter a new era, introducing Gemini, the next generation of search from Google. So Gemini is not just a search engine; it's your intelligent partner. It understands, your intent, anticipate your need, and goes beyond simple keyword matching. So we can ask Gemini for anything, for mundane to extraordinary. So and it will provide insightful answers, generate creative text formats, and even collaborative, on different projects. So it can answer your question in detail, providing context and insight beyond simple facts. It can also generate different creative text formats like poem, code, scripts, musical pieces, and more. It will also help us solve problems requiring logically reasoning and complex through process. It can also engage in conversations that are informative, stimulating, and tailored to your interest. So Gemini can also help you plan next adventure, explore new ideas, and unlock your creative potentials. So Gemini can also be your personal tutor, helping you solve problems and understand complex concepts. So that are all things that a Gemini can do for you. So Gemini is constantly learning and evolving and becoming more helpful and versatile with each interaction. So with Gemini, possibilities are endless. Okay, and it's a new way to search, a new way to learn, a new way to create. Okay, so that's a good thing about Gemini. Whether you are a student, profession, or simply curious about the world, Gemini is here for you, and it will empower you to do whatever you want to do. So welcome to the era of Gemini, where search become intuitive, personalized, and powerful. So hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about Gemini Advanced, and I will also show you how to get the subscription that it is offering. So currently it is offering 2 months free subscription. So and the powerful upgrade of AI chatbot you know and love. So while Gemini Advanced comes with a subscription, there is actually a way to try it out for free for 2 months. So if you are curious about its capability, this video is for you. So before we dive into how to get it for free, let's quickly understand what Gemini Advanced is. It's enhanced version of Gemini powered by Google, and in the market most advanced AI model. So Ultra 1. So 1 second, yeah. So Ultra 1, this means it can tackle complex tasks like coding, solve problem with logical reasoning, and engage in even more detailed context-aware conversation. Okay, so let's move to getting free access with Google One AI Premium trial. Okay, so what we can do is you can just come to this Gemini app and you can click try it for 2 months. And what you need is again, so you should have one Gmail account to proceed. Okay. So create a Gmail account and you can do sign in. Okay. So I have enabled MFA, so that's why it's coming. So we can say continue here. So it will verify that it is me. Okay, so you can see here it is saying that for the first 2 months it will be charging 0, and after that it will be charging 1950 per month. Okay, so you can see all the Gemini Advanced feature. You can also get 2 PB of storage, other add-ons, and other one benefit. So we can click start trial and it will ask payment method. So I hope you guys have added your payment method before proceeding. So since I have added it already, you can see it here. If you haven't added, you can add from here as well. Okay, so I'm selecting this card and clicking subscribe. So it will ask me OTP for validating the payment. So the OTP I have received, it's 56. Okay, so you have to submit it and it's done. So it will deduct 2 rupees and it will again after some time it will refund you. So it's just verifying that you are a genuine person. Okay, so I think it's done. Now it will redirect to you can see that Google One AI Premium subscription is subscribed. Now it will redirect us to Gemini Advanced page. Okay, so we can go to Gemini Advanced page and we can use the app. Okay, so we have this UI. So this is how it look like. So from here you can navigate to older Gemini as well as advanced Gemini. Okay, here you have settings. You can go here and add extensions. Let's see what's inside manage subscription. Okay, different type of thing like email and all that, payment method, AI subscription, all that information. So you can see storage price as well, but since it's not part of the video, so let's skip that. And we can even check extension. So let's go to extension. So you can see currently we have 5 extension only: flights, hotels, map, YouTube, and Google Workspace. So authenticating Google Workspace will allow it to go through emails, your drive information, your documents, so everything. So suppose you want an email regarding your Gemini Advanced subscription, so you just have to write the prompt and it will bring you that email. So suppose you have an email 5 years ago about some Netflix subscription or Hotstar subscription, you just have to write the prompt and it will bring you all that information. So here this is a new chat feature, so just click this new chat feature, and what we can do is let's try out 2-3 prompts to understand whether how good this Gemini Advanced is. Okay, so what I will type, let's say generate image of a futuristic aeroplane flying through old mountain surrounded by nature. Okay, so let's see whether it's able to give this type of image or not. Okay, so let's submit this. So it will take some time because we are asking for image. Okay, so we can see, I think it is generating. So you can see how beautiful image it has generated. So you can see a futuristic airplane, okay, flying through mountains, and it is surrounded by nature. Okay, so you can even download it. So I'm downloading all of them. So you can also click generate more, which was not there in the old version of Gemini. Okay, so I can download it here. Okay, that's about the feature of Gemini. Now let's ask one more prompt. Okay, for that let's create a new chart. Okay, so list of 5 well-known science fiction book. Let's go for Buffy. Okay, in a table with year of release and OTT platform and must be recent, including images. Okay, so let's see whether it's able to give all the information that we have asked or not. Okay, so I hope it will give us, because that is what Gemini Advanced is for. Okay, so you can see we have year released, OTT platform, movie title, also the image. So you can see how it has aligned with the prompt and giving all the information that we need. So you can see all different type of popular science fiction movie, including their OTT platform where you can watch it, as well as image. So you can also look at other draft it has posted. So every time we ask anything, it will generate 3 different type of result, and from here you can navigate through all of them. Okay, so that's the feature of Gemini. I hope you guys have liked this video, so please do subscribe, like for further updates. So from next video I will be creating different type of videos. One will be like how to use Gemini Advanced API for our coding purposes. Okay, so all those type of things we will be seeing. So let's click this this prompt. So role play as an event planner. Okay, so for example, I'm going on a trip and I want Gemini Advanced to prepare my itinerary. So it will do that, as well as if you want to write some CSS code or HTML code, you can even ask, I want to create a slider, or I want to create a interactive playground. So all different type of question you can ask, and it will give you the result in a few seconds. So you can see it will take around 10 seconds and it will give you the actual code, and you can just paste it somewhere where you are writing the code, and it will run without any error. So that's the good thing about Gemini. So we'll keep on exploring how more advanced features has come in. So, and I will be updating you guys as well. So please do subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. See you in the next video.